Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin now, power down the WH1000XM4 and remove any cable. Place the headphones on a soft cloth so you don't scratch the finish. Once positioned, use your thumb to pull the ear pad away from the ear cup seam. Start at the bottom where the seam is looser. You're aiming to free the lip that sits in the plastic channel. Go slow to avoid ripping the foam. If resistance spikes, stop and reassess so you don't snap the plastic retaining ring. Once the old pad is partly detached, continue around the circumference with steady pressure, disengaging the retaining lip a little at a time. You want the entire pad free before pulling it off the cup. That prevents tearing. Inspect the retaining ring and speaker mesh for adhesive residue or debris. Clean carefully if needed. To install the new pad, align the lip with the plastic channel, then press and tuck in short sections so the foam seats evenly and the seam sits flush all the way around. After the new pad is mostly seated, press firmly around the entire circumference to ensure the lip snaps into the channel and there are no gaps. Make sure the pad sits evenly so you retain noise cancellation seal and comfort. Power on and test audio at low volume. Confirm left/right balance and microphone function. If you hear odd rattles or poor seal, remove and reseat the problematic section, often rotating the pad 180 degrees or retucking one quadrant fixes alignment problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.